Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Now, as much as I love applying makeup, I just love taking it off at the end of the day. Okay, so first I'm gonna go in with my makeup wipes, and I got these from my Harmon store, and it's their makeup remover cleansing wipes, and I love these because they're extra soft and it lifts away dirt and all of the makeup, y'all, and it's only like $3. You can't go wrong with that. And next I'm going to take the L'Oreal Micellar Cleansing Water. I know I'm pronouncing that wrong, but I love this to apply to my face with the cotton pad, just to remove whatever the makeup wipe couldn't remove. It just helps to clean the dirt and remove the makeup. And I got the normal to oily skin type. There are other types. Because I have oily skin, I chose this type. And it helps purify and mattifies. It's like an additional cleansing method, but I still go in with my cleanser after I remove. Look at. Yeah, but anyway, I do like to use the Clarisonic. I love this method of cleansing my face. I've been using this for years now, and I absolutely love it. Okay, now my brush was kind of old, so Clarisonic was kind enough to send me a replacement brush. They sent me 3, which can help with anything that you need. Like if you have acne problems, they have a brush for that. If you have pores, which I'm using right now, they have a brush for that. I'm going to attach that to the Clarisonic, and then I'm going to show you guys. I'll be using the Ole Henriksen Balance It All Essentials set. Now I love this set because it helps balance my oils, and it just helps to keep my oils at bay. So first I'm going to go in with the cleanser. All right, so I'm going to apply the cleanser all over. First of all, wet your face and then apply the cleanser, and then I'm going to go in with the Clarisonic and just brush the cleanser all over my face, just to help pick up excess dirt that the water and the makeup wipes did not pick up. So make sure to wash your face, y'all. I don't care what that water says it'll do. I like to go in with water and the cleanser to make sure that everything is clean. Then I'm going to go in and rinse my face. So next I'm going to go in with Origin's Active Charcoal Mask. I like to use this at least 1 to 2 times a week, depending on how my face is doing. All right, and this helps with my pores as well. So everything that I'm using on my face today is geared towards oily skin and also pores. All right, I do have large pores around my cheeks area, and I like to use products that help minimize my pores, and also to make sure all the dirt and the the excess oils are lifted from my pores. All right, so this is what the mask is looking like after I layered it on, and I'm going to leave this on my face for about 10 to 15 minutes until it's completely dry. I like to go downstairs and play with my kids and scare them with the mask. They love it. And after 15 minutes, it is completely dry, as you can see here. I absolutely love this charcoal mask. I feel like it works, y'all. All right, so I'm just going to rinse that off, and I'm going to take a paper towel and just pat dry my face. My face is clean and it feels soft, as you can see here. Next I'm going to go in with the Ole Henriksen the toner. I'm going to apply it to the cotton pad. All right, and just apply that to my face. Again, this helps control the oil, so it works well with the cleanser. And then next you'll see that I'm going to use a hydrator as the final step of this trio from Ole Henriksen. So I just like this set because it, like I said, mattifies and helps to reduce the look of my pores, and it also helps to balance my complexion. And as you can see, my cotton pad is clean. I just like to go in and make sure all the dirt is lifted off of my face. All right, and here I'm just applying the hydrator. And now what I like about this moisturizer is that it doesn't leave my face oily, but my face is still moisturized, if that makes sense, y'all. All right, then I just check my face out, make sure it's looking like it should. All right, make sure that I didn't miss any spots. Yeah, and that is my skincare routine, my nighttime skincare routine. Oops, we can't forget about the lips, y'all. So after all that's said and done, I like to take my EOS lip balm and just make sure my lips are moisturized. And that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. Bye.